What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ondo Finance. So, good morning to each and every one of us. Without wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into this right here. So, I'm taking this away to avoid it from getting noisy. I just placed this around here, not quite long before making this video. So, yep, without wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into the chart again. So, we could see right here that Ondo has been respecting this trend line right here. You could see this uptrend. Whenever we come in contact with it, we bounce. We come in contact with bounce. There seems to be some level of resistance around here. You could see this trend line right here. So we've kind of come in contact with it around here because you could see whenever we come in contact here, we dump. We came in contact with it here, we dump. But majorly, let's not forget that this is where the major resistance is currently at, which is 0.2723. So what we should also have in mind is the fact that we are also below a major resistance. So we need to analyze this chart with this pattern right here and also the levels we should be considering. So right now you could see we are currently around this level. If we are going to break out from here, which is this fib level, which will be coming back to, fine. So it's either we consolidate until we get a major breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. Everything is going to be highly dependent on how Bitcoin is going to play out, because as you can see, sorry about that, as you can see, Bitcoin is looking kind of stable, but I think by the time the New York session opens, we are definitely going to know where Bitcoin is going to be heading, whether to the up or to the downside. And with the look of things right here, we could see it clearly that Ondo is currently below this fib level right here, which is definitely where we shall be heading towards right now, the fib levels. So you can see clearly right here that Ondo is actually at a level of below this support level at 0.257. So the moment Ondo probably retests this resistance right here at 0.257 and it gets rejected, we are most likely going to be heading into this level at 0.2435. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting. If we break out of this level at 0.257, we could see ourselves heading towards this resistance level at 0.2721. So it's either we get to this level or we get to this level right here. It's all dependent on how the market is going to move. And you could also see that most of the gains that were made yesterday, everything have been nullified. So you if Ondo was up 7, 8, 10% yesterday, all those profits are nowhere to be found. Yep, they are just nowhere to be found. So it all depends on how the market moves, because right now it seems like the market just wants to catch it wants to like trap a lot of bulls and bears one way or another, which is definitely something you should be very careful. Do not open a long position. If you don't open a position with crazy leverage thinking that okay, there is something there for you. So try as much as you can to not exceed 3x leverage, and also use stop loss. Unlike me, I'm currently not using stop loss because I'm hoping to catch the bottom. So my own case is a different case. So yeah, without wasting much of your time right here, Ondo is definitely within this range. If it breaks below this level right here, we can see it dropping really low to 0.24, or we could see it breaking above this resistance right here at 0.257 and going as high as 0.2722. So that's just basically all I can say, guys. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.